Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Peugeot 508's infotainment system? These are common problems, especially in older models from 2010 2018 and 2019 2022. The issues often stem from software bugs or hardware limitations. For a frozen screen, the system's CPU might be overloaded, or there could be memory leaks or corrupted app caches, making the touchscreen unresponsive. No sound issues are often due to amplifier faults, wiring problems, or software conflicts with radio or Bluetooth. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, consider a hard reset, but be aware that this will wipe your data. Also, check the fuses located in the fuse box under the dashboard to ensure there are no loose connections. For no sound, check your Bluetooth and USB inputs for codec mismatches, and try different devices to pinpoint the source of the problem. Update: as of April 2025, version 2.1.5 for the RT6 infotainment unit fixes audio dropouts and screen freezes during app use. Ensure the system is not overloaded by limiting simultaneous apps. If problems persist, consider a professional diagnostic. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, a hard reset might be necessary. You can perform a hard reset using the vehicle's OBD2 port with diagnostic tools like Peugeot Planet or third-party apps such as Torque Pro. Remember, this will wipe your data. Ensure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. For long-term solutions, software updates are crucial. Check for updates via Peugeot's official app or through your dealership. Make sure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi during the update process. In 2024, Stellantis issued a recall for select 2019-2022 models due to software crashes. A firmware update reduced freeze incidents by 40%. If your car is eligible, ensure you receive this update. Dealers may also offer touchscreen replacement retrofit kits to address physical failures, costing between $300 to $500. Be aware that resets are often temporary fixes. Comprehensive updates yield long-term results. Keep your system updated to benefit from the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Regular updates and proper maintenance will prevent many common issues.